What is up, guys? It's Tom from Tech Time, and I'm back with another video. Today I have another case review for the Samsung Galaxy S9. Been trying to bring you guys a lot of accessories for this phone right here. With the glass-on-glass design, you want to keep it looking beautiful. You don't want to endure all the scratches that this phone can take, because it does take a lot of scratches. If it's anything similar to what the S8 was and the Note 8, it scratches very, very easily. As it may be enticing to keep this phone naked because it looks so gorgeous, you're gonna wanna slap a case on it. From drop tests, from what I've seen, this thing did not fare well, so you're gonna wanna put some type of protection on it. And these cases I'm bringing you right here are slim profile, but they also offer military standard drop test protection. So you can't, beat this right here. And one of them's clear, so it's still gonna show off your beautiful phone, especially this gorgeous coral blue from the S9. So let's get into that right away. This is from Rinkie. This is their Effusion case right here, the clear, and it comes with a strap. Big shout out to Rinkie. They've sent these cases out for me to review, and I appreciate that. They're a great company. I've always bought their products before. One of their favorite cases for my S8 was a Rinkie case, and I'm still rocking that to this day. My S8's on the charger right now, but I enjoy it. I love this company. So this is gonna be an honest review. Doesn't matter if they sent it or not. If I don't like the case, I'm gonna tell you. So let's get into it. This is their Effusion clear case, and their packaging's nice, eco package, so friendly on the environment. You can't beat that. They got their thing right here. It says military standard drop test protection, which means this has withstand so many tests at so many feet, and it has not broken. So that's great, the ultimate experience. So let's rip this baby open, tear here, and then unveil a gorgeous case. So let's get into what they have. Enjoy your free gift. They give you a free gift. Thanks for choosing Rinkie, and hope you continue to enjoy your purchase with this complimentary Rinkie accessory. So they're giving you a Rinkie lanyard wrist strap. So that's different this year. I didn't get that last year on the ones I bought. Thank you. Without your product review, we can't exist. So they want you to leave a review if you're happy, and then shows how to contact them. Most things, you get the same stuff from most case companies nowadays. Social media and connecting with them that way. Also showcasing their product, if you like it, the way you interact with it on social media helps these companies out immensely. Saves them on marketing, which can bring the price down on cases, whatever accessories they sell. So the Rinkie mirror, you remove the outside film and then you remove the inside film, and that's going to give you your film guide to take it out. And this is for the Effusion. This is the protective film, just so it stays nice and clear and doesn't get scratched during packaging. This one right here was for a mirror. If you get the mirror case, I haven't even seen that offered for this phone yet, so we'll see. So you got all your buttons, all your cutouts, everything looks good. Now the problem is gonna be getting this stuff right here off, because I am terrible at getting this stuff off. And one thing Rinkie does not do is make it easy on you. They do not give you a way, like a little tab to pull or anything like that. They make it as difficult as possible to get this off. So I'm gonna freeze this, and I'll come back in a second when I can finally get this thing off. So we're back. We got all the plastic off, and boy, oh boy, was that a mission. They need to put some kind of a tab. I see other companies doing it. It can definitely be implemented. You put some kind of a pull tab. You shouldn't have to scratch at the case like an animal to try to get this thing off. That pisses me off. It almost made me not want to put the case on, but I got it off, and you know what? Because of that protective film, look how gorgeous that thing looks. So let's slap this beautiful phone in there like so, and let's see what this baby is made of. Whoops, taking a picture. There we go. So it's all in, locked and loaded. Let's turn this around, and the big reveal. Look at that. Still get the gorgeousness of the phone, the beautiful color shining through, and you're getting protection. So this right here, if you're wanting to enjoy the color of the phone and you don't need too much protection, but you want to give it just enough to resist scratches and some drops, this is what you're going to want to go with right here. So you get your volume rockers right there. No problem with the volume rockers, Buttons are all tactile. Bixby. A lot of people don't even use Bixby, so you might not even have to worry about that. Get your power button on, off. That's beautiful. Turn around to the back. You have your cutout, and they do have a raised lip. You can see right there. Not too much, but this is a slim designed case, so it's not supposed to have too much, but it has just enough to protect your camera, because on this phone right here, you want to protect that camera. You don't want those variable aperture blades getting all screwed up. This thing is nice. Let's check the cutouts down the bottom. You got your headphone cutout right there, your USB Type-C, your noise cancel, your regular microphone, and your speaker. And you got your noise canceling mic on top. Perfect cutouts. This thing is really, really nice. It is. It resists fingerprints somewhat, but it does give you some of the fingerprints. And I think I actually got some on the inside, or that could be the phone itself. So let's pop that out one more time and see if we can wipe those off. That's one thing about this gorgeous phone, is it attracts fingerprints like whoa. So let's get that back on there. Now that looks better. There we go. Still a couple probably on the case. Yeah, they are. Maybe it's my greasy hands, who knows. There you go, guys. Beautiful looking case. Can't go wrong. It really is nice. Clear, shows off everything you need. Let's go to the Amazon right now and check it out. $10.99 for the Fusion case. It comes in clear, orchid purple, or smoke black. Smoke black's actually pretty nice. Orchid purple has the purple outer edge, and then clear is what we have right here. So $10.99 plus free shipping, and then they have a $2 coupon. If you apply right now, you get a $2 coupon. See that right there? That's cool. That will bring the price down to $9. Can't go wrong with that. And then they also give you this free gift included, which is a lanyard for your wrist. I'm not a huge lanyard guy, but it would go right there. I'm not going to install it because I don't use it personally, but you're going to want to take the case off to do that. You install it, and then you're going to have a lanyard that you can wrap around your wrist and hold your phone so you don't drop it, which is another added level of protection, because this phone is dangerous. If you drop it, obviously this case is going to give you some protection, but you want to have that extra protection, and that right there is great. If you're out on the go, you just want to have your phone hanging by your side on your wrist, there you go. For me, it doesn't work. I don't use it. But hey, to each their own. Now let's let's turn this on. Wireless charging on deck. Working like a dream. Can't beat that. So wireless charging approved. Let's get on to the next one. The next one is going to be the Onyx, and I think that's really going to be a big fan of mine, because I like the Onyx case that I've had before.
We're on the same page.
All right, Bixby. It's enough out of you. All right, let's tear this open. This one comes with a little silica, or whatever this is, that absorbs the moisture. The other one didn't have that. And this one, you don't get any special gift with it. You get just a thank you. And connect with us. Doesn't give you any instructions, because you don't need instructions, because there's no, stupid plastic that you have to pull off on this one. So this one's got shock absorption technology in the corners. The ultimate experience Onyx. I like that a lot. And this is just a sleek looking case. Look at that. You get the carbon fiber on the bottom. You get the Rinkie branding right there. You get your fingerprint sensor cutout. And then you actually get a second cutout right there around your flash and heart rate sensor. Get some more carbon fiber up at the top, and it's got some nice grip to it. This is nice. Let me slap this baby on real quick. Oh, I like this. I like this one a lot. This one feels perfect in the hand. It really does. Look how sleek it looks, and you get a little bit of blue in the background. I like the way they did that. The fingerprint, you can feel everything, all textured. Get right to your fingerprint sensor, no problem. Now that they've put it on the bottom, everybody can stop crying about it, and now you can reach it perfectly. You get a little bit of a finger rest right there, so it slopes down just perfectly with a cutout, so there's really no way you can miss it with this right here. Let's check the volume rockers. Works good. Last year I did have an issue. They have this single volume rock I see right there, or sometimes you get miss presses, but this one seems to be working fine. Get the Bigsby button works, no problem there. Power's on and off. So let's check the lips on this. You get a nice raised lip for a slim profile case. This lip is really, really nice. And it slopes down on the edge, which most Samsung S8, S9 cases do, Note 8, because they want you to get that whole edge feeling, that infinity display. So your edge panels are gonna work no problem because you're not gonna have any interference with the side panels. This case is nice, and look how nice it looks. I like that second cutout, and it really separates the heart rate sensor. That might be a problem though. Let's check that out right now. It's trying to use the heart rate sensor with this. I haven't used it on this phone yet. Oh, actually, there we go. So let's put it on. There you go. Hey, it worked. 103 beats a minute. Seems a little high, but it's working fine. I thought that'd be an issue. You put your finger there, there's no issue at all. Works. Let's check the charging. Perfect, kicks right on. No problem right there. Everything's working. Let's check it again. No problem, super fast. And that's, one of the big things with this phone. It's got fast wireless charging, so you're gonna wanna take advantage of that. That's one of the reasons why you have the glass back and it's such a fragile phone, because they put the technology for wireless charging in there. And now with this case, protecting your phone, you could still slap it on the charger with no problems. This is a go, 100%. I like it. Now let's go into the little gift they sent. These are the new cable clips. I haven't used them yet, but I'm willing to try them out, see what they're about. So the little plastic clips with 3M tape on the back. So you pull this tape off, you can slap this thing anywhere, and then you run your cables through it. So let's see. I actually don't have a cable with me, but we can use this cable right here from my mic. And you slap your cable in just like that, and you can run multiple cables, fat cables. So you can take a cable like this and run this in there like so, with another cable over the top of it. Any way you want to run them, headphone wires, whatever you want to do, you can use them with this right here. So that's a really cool. I'll leave the link for those down in the description. Let's get into the Rinkie case on Amazon Shopping. This is the Onyx case right here. Now it comes in plum, violet, and black. I have the black. The plum violet's actually nice, especially to show off some of the accents of the lilac purple peeking out if you get the lilac, and then you get the plum violet over the top. I have the black. This one's $9.99, Amazon Prime. Same thing. Save an extra $2 when you apply this coupon. You can't go wrong with that. You really can't. So you're getting this thing for $9. Let's check this out. Rinkie cable clips.
Showing items matching Rinkie cable clips.
So it didn't come up right there. You might have to spell it out. Let's see. They might only be selling these right now on their website. Let's put it in there. Cable clips. Check it out. Cable clip. Does it come on? Yep. Wrinkled cable clip. $8.99 right there. And they are a 6-pack. So you get a 6-pack of their cable clips for $8.99, Amazon Prime shipping. You can get it in 2 days if you have Amazon Prime. If you don't have Amazon Prime, guys, I suggest you pick it up. I'll leave a link down in the description. If you don't have it, you can try it free for 30 days. It's great. Being able to get 2 days free shipping, Amazon Prime Television. Great show, Sneaky Pete. Go check it out on Amazon Prime Television. Sign up using that link below for free 30 days Amazon Prime, guys. You gotta have it. It's great for shipping things out. If you buy stuff on Amazon, it is worth it. Amazon's taking over, so get on the train while it's still moving. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Lots of stuff we did today. 2 cases. This is if you want to show off your phone. It's actually a hard TPU. Great. It's clear. Can't go wrong with it. Gives you protection, and it also shows off your phone. This, if you want something a little bit more sleek, and this is perfect for me. Get that nice dark brushed metal sleek look with the carbon fiber with the blue accents. I like the way that cutout is totally different. You get protection, tactile buttons. You can't go wrong with Rinkie. For $9 right now with that $2 coupon. Jeez, can you go wrong with that? No. You can't even get a meal at McDonald's for $9. Anyway, guys, go pick that up. Hope you enjoyed this video. Stay tuned for more tips and tricks, review, and accessories coming for the S9. Catch you guys later. Peace.